My goal today is to teach you something about gardening, and this is the Gardening Homesteading Skills Global Gardening Collaboration. Okay, the camera started here. I'm going to be using a 4-pack, and I saw an ant. I just saw one ant, but usually if there's one, there's some more somewhere. So I covered the top of my trays with cinnamon. A few weeks ago, it's been a little longer than that now, a month or two ago, I had, using these same pots, a whole bunch of ants. I mean, it was just swarming. And I put cinnamon on top. And I also took some mint spray and sprayed it around. And between the two of those, the ants were gone. But I just saw one ant. So, to take care of this situation, ward it off before it happens. They're getting cinnamon. The ants don't like the cinnamon. Okay, so I am going to, I think I know what, these are secrecies. So the deal is the person that sent them to me gave me clues as to how to grow them, but didn't tell me what kind of seeds they were. I have a suspicion, just based on what they look like, but I won't really know until they come up. So let me get started here. So here's what the letter from my secret exchange person. She says, Ms. Darlene. I really prefer to be called Mrs., but that's okay. She didn't know. Here are some little mysteries you can grow indoors. She knows that I'm pretty much limited. You will need warmth to germinate. I'm going to put them on a heat mat so they will get warmth. And good, strong grow lights, which they will be under. But I grow them in 2-gallon pots inside all year round. So that gives me kind of a clue as to what I might be dealing with here too. They also need very rich, well-draining soil. Best of gardening blessings to you. From Gardening Warrior Q. We are both part of the Gardening Homesteading Skills collaboration. And this is a secret seed challenge. So my plan, looks like I've got 4, 8, 9, 10, about 20, 21 or so seeds in this packet. Okay, so I'm going to put 2 seeds. If I put 2 seeds in each cell here, that gives me 8 plants, and then I'll have a few seeds left in case something doesn't come up, or for whatever reason I might want to sow them again. So let me tilt my camera. If I can get the little bag open. There we go. All right. I'm going to put this out on my paper towel here so that I can just grab them one at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Need 2 more. There we go. Okay, that leaves me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Looks like I have 10 seeds left. So that would have been 18 seeds in there. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. 1 seed in there, and 1 seed in there. Just kind of barely cover it up because those are small. Same thing over here. 1 in this corner. And 1 in this corner. And by the way, the cinnamon doesn't hurt anything. In fact, cinnamon is often used to help things germinate. So it's good for it, if anything. Okay. Oh, and it looks like I got one extra seed here. That's okay. Maybe I didn't know, but I didn't have an extra seed. I just thought I did. Okay. I just barely push that down, like a 1/16 of an inch maybe. And then on top of that, actually, I'll do one thing first. Okay, so I'm going to spritz the top. And you see that pop that back up. I need to push just a tiny bit. So this is just regular potting soil down inside, and the top, oh, about this much is seed starting mix to help the seeds get started. And then, okay, so then the next thing I'm going to do, I thought I had forget what it's called. This is perlite I'm going to put at the top. And it's not in as small pieces as I would like, but I've had good luck with vermiculite's the word I was after. I thought that's what I had, but no, I've got perlite. And I think either one will work. Got some fairly large chunks here. I'm going to take the big chunks out. You just need the little pieces. A couple of things that this does, it helps this to retain the moisture. The cinnamon helps with that too. Okay, I'm going to label this. Secret seed. And today's date is 4/13/23. Okay, secret seed. I'm going to put these over here into the right here where they're going to live. Something under there. There we go. Actually, I'm going to move that down this way. And as soon as I get all the rest of this planted up, I'll make another video and show you what all I planted. The heat mat has already been turned on just a little while ago, so it's not that warm yet, but it'll get there. And the grow light is on. So that's my secret seed challenge. I will be growing things other than that secret seed. Watch for a video coming up either later today or sometime tomorrow showing what else I'm going to plant in that tray. This is Darlene with Team Will It Grow. Secret Seed Challenge. Seeds from Warrior Q, Gardening Warrior Q, for the Gardening Homesteading Skills collaboration. May your day be wonderful. May God's love and blessings surround you. I'll see you later. Bye. This is Sweetie Pie. Not a care in the world. She do love her boxes.